I'm Tania Ontiveros. I'm the Director of Corporate Finance and Operations at Elemental Energy. We are located in Vancouver, British Columbia, and we are in the renewable energy industry. We develop, build, and operate renewable energy projects in Canada. The nature of our business, we need to create separate Sage 50, files for our different projects and that we call project entities. So as we were growing, we were having a higher volume of transactions and accounts payable on each different entity. And it was taking a lot of our time just to be able to review the AP listing, go through the approvals. There was a lot of manual work involved. I was, spending a lot of time myself as well reviewing things. So I needed to find a solution in which I could actually consolidate everything in just one place, as opposed to, having to go to different project entity files and exporting an AP list in Excel. So that was kind of one of the main things. And the second thing was we also wanted to go paperless and try to find better ways of dealing with AP, knowing that the volume was increasing. We were starting to have more than 100 invoices per month, and it keeps growing. So I needed to find a solution, and I think it was the right time. So I think I have saved a couple of days per month of my life doing that kind of work. Not only my time, but my team's time. And then also even whoever was approving the invoices, they needed to get a printout, go through things. So I think, it has saved a lot of time in general for everyone here. And it's kind of nice to see everything just in one place, online, from my phone, and just be able to have access to it, from anywhere I go. Yeah, as I mentioned, our business has been growing very fast. So we were spending a lot of time going through the AP process, a lot of manual work, and we were ignoring some other things that required our attention that were more important. I could list a lot of them, but I think just by reducing that time that we're spending working on AP every 2 weeks, we've been able to just work and focus in other areas that we were ignoring, and we were just kind of letting them stay in the back border and then waiting to get to them after. So it has helped us with that. And I think overall, as I mentioned earlier, I think getting all the team involved. We're not a very big team. We're about 12, 13 people in total, including the development, construction, operations team. So it's been nice to get them, involved as part of our AP process, because they can go in, look for stuff themselves, as Cynthia mentioned. That helps the accounting team a lot when you can say, you can search for it on Sage APA and it will be right there for you. So it helps a lot, to make sure that everyone feels that they're part of that AP process, because at the end of the day, they're going to have to approve invoices. They're going to have to even sometimes talk to the consultant they're working with, just to kind of understand budgets and things like that. So I think in general, it has helped us a lot. And even we used to remind them every day or two to get them to approve invoices. Now the system does the daily reminders as well. So it's kind of helpful to have that as well. Yeah, I think it just in general, the fact that everything is in one place has helped everyone to be able to have access to one platform and not deal with paper. That's one of the biggest things. And as a renewable energy company, of course, we want to go green as much as we can. Not only by building renewable energy projects, but also in the office space too, right? So that was one of the biggest things that we were able to accomplish. And not only with AP, but a bunch of other things too. So I can say that we're 99% paperless now in general. So that makes me very, very, very happy here. At the same time, we can, work remotely from, anywhere in the world. I get to go to visit my family in Mexico and work from there 2-3 weeks. And then I know that I can get my work done down there. So that's also a really, really nice bonus there that we got. And as I said, just like by making sure that the team that is, outside of the accounting team can get involved in our AP processes, that's actually very exciting for us. And little by little, they're getting more familiar with things. They're getting more efficient as well when it comes to approving their invoices. And now that we added a PO platform, I expect that we're going to see a lot more efficiencies as we start issuing those POs and getting those, invoices that are going to be matched to the POs. We just started that PO platform in March, so I think I'm going to get to see the benefits in the next couple of months.